Welcome to Drop LS. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the Sahara AI testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to do and know as regards to this particular testnet. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support the channel by subscribing to it. You can as well like and share our video, and also you can join our Telegram community as well too. So now for a brief introduction for this particular airdrop. Now this particular Sahara AI testnet, they have raised up to $43 million so far for this particular airdrop. So it's one of the biggest airdrop that we have right now. So in this video I'll be showing you how to be eligible for this particular testnet. So now they have the phase 2 part of this, the civil public testnet. That's the phase 2 part of this particular testnet. And now we also have the Sahara phase 1, which is the first first phase. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to be eligible for the both phase 1 and the phase 2 part of this airdrop. So yeah, ensure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on anything. Okay, so now to get started with this, of course in this video I'm moving from one link to another, but all these links is going to be down there in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then you come along with me. Now first thing we're going to do here is to sign up. First you need a MetaMask wallet or any wallet you can use. For me, I make it of MetaMask wallet. So once you come over to this first link, here we are to claim the Faucet token. So me, I'm using my MetaMask wallet for this particular testnet. So I'll just click on it and then I will connect my wallet. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. So now once you come over here, do the connection and then you verify and then you claim your Faucet token. Okay, so I've already done mine for today, so I have to wait for another 24 hours before I can be able to claim the next one. So this is one, the token I have so far. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to do. Now the next you're going to do is to head over to the next link. So now this is the main dashboard for the V2 part of this testnet. So now once I come over here, I have to connect with my wallet. Okay, so I'll just connect first. So once I'm done with the connection, all right, so let me just complete these whole steps. Okay, so now once you do that, you're going to have access to this main dashboard. So now here we are to fill in all these things. Okay, so let me start with the uploading of any pics. So let me just upload any picture. Okay, all right, so that's what I'm to do first. So now this is the V2 part. Okay, so let's finish up with this one before we can head over to the V1. Okay, now I have to fill up these informations here. So I'll just fill in my name. Okay, just choose any name. Okay, and then this one as well, to choose the year of birth. All right, and then select your language, English, and then select your gender and then your country. Okay, so once you do that, so head over here, click on verify for email. Okay, so I have to fill in my email and then I have to head over to my Gmail account to verify this particular message. Okay, so yeah, they will send a code for you to go over. So just go over here, copy the code, and then head back to here and fill in this with the code. Okay, so right, I'm done with this. Okay, so now once you're done with all this the filling, so just come over here and then click on this create. Okay, so that's the first thing we have to do here. So now then we'll come over here, scroll down, go down, and then click on continue. Okay, complete. Okay, so that's what first we have to do. So now once you're done with that, head over to this place here. So click on this register for AI assets. So click on this. So we have to also to fill up all these things. So just watch as I do these things. Okay, just watch and see the steps that I have to take here. Okay, all right, so just put in anything. Okay, English. So click on create new. Okay, just type in anything. So I just put any word here. Okay, I have to put it here too as well, and then save. So you just watch all these steps, okay, so and do the same, okay. So all these things, just ensure that you don't miss out from anything here. So now after you're done with that, here we have to upload any document, okay. Just go over here, upload anything that's any compatible file that can enter, just upload it. So once you're done with that, then have to go down, okay. So I think I'm missing something here. So okay, all right, here the menu, there is one space still in the menu, so I'll just click on this, okay. So now I'm done with the filling, okay. So then have to go down and click on upload, okay. So now this is the last, okay. So this is your v2 parts, okay. So I have to complete all these things, okay. So you just watch and do the same, okay. So that's what you have to do here. All right, so let's wait for this to complete. So now we are done with the main thing, okay. The main thing successful, okay. Now that's what you have to do here. So now we still have more to do, but for now the remaining ones are still upcoming, okay. So as you can see here, coming soon. So the one we just did now is the one that is available. That's the register AI asset. So that's the one we have just done now. So now that's basically what you have to do here in this v2 part, okay. So you can still claim the Faucet token from here as well too, okay. So for the v2, you just have to claim the Faucet token and then come over here and do this one, which you just did now, okay. So that's basically what you have to do for the v2 aspect, okay. So now quickly I'll be heading over to the Sahara legend, okay. So that's the v1 aspect, the phase 1 aspect. So I'll just show you what you have to do, okay, quickly. So to do this, so head over to the link in the description. So once you come over here, this is the main dashboard, okay. So follow the link, you're going to get to this place. So once you come over here, you have to connect with the same wallet that you're using now. So I'm making use of my MetaMask wallet, so I'll just connect it, okay. So now we did a video on this particular testnet earlier last 2 months, okay. That was the video we did, okay. That for this the phase 1 part of this, okay. So now once you come over here, first you're going to come over to click on this Faucet, okay. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this particular site here. You have to claim the Faucet token, right? So just like we did in the v1, okay. The v2, that's the phase 2 part of it. Come over here, claim this same Faucet token, right? So once you do that, head back to here, okay, this place, okay, the main dashboard. Now I'm showing you what you need to do here. So for now, the only one that is working is just this one, okay. So once you click on here, you have to complete all these tasks. We have the daily tasks and then the social ones, okay. For this social one, you have to do this one just once, okay. So just come over here and complete all these tasks. For me, I have done this thing a long time ago, so that's why you can see you can see claimed here, okay. So just come over here, click on this, you'll be taken to this Gauzy the website for you to complete all these tags here. So ensure you create an account here as well too. So once come over here, you have to scroll down and then click from here, okay. So once you click a particular tax here, you're going to be taken to maybe your X or Discord, whichever one, and then after you're done with that, come back and click on this, ensure that you have this green sign, okay. So once you do that, come back here and then can now be able to claim, okay. So that's what I have to do here. So now for this one, this is daily tax, okay. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this one, okay. As you can see here, this is the point I have so far from this, okay. I know I've got all these points from this daily tax, okay. So now this daily check-in, once you come over here, click on the first one, you're going to have access to here as well to come over here. You have to do these 2 tax, okay. They click on this first one, you're taken to their website, and then the second one taken to their to their X account, okay. So once you're done with that, come back here and then click on this click on this mark here, ensure that you have this green ticked mark. Once you have it, you can then have to go back to the main dashboard. That's the main head back to here, head back to this particular place, and then can then claim this point. Okay, that's what you have to do for the first two. Okay, now for the last one, the making of transaction, I'll show you how we are going to do that one. So now to make a transaction here, and this is Sahara AI. Once come over here, go to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, to send this token to another account. Okay, so I have here in my MetaMask, I have both, two accounts here in my MetaMask. Okay, so I'll just go over, click on send, and then I will select the first one. Okay, that's select the first one, and then come over here. So over here, to select the amount I want to, and say click on continue. Okay, so I will then send from one account to another. Okay, so that's how you're going to make a transaction here. Okay, once you're done that, have to wait for this pending for the for you to confirm that you have done with the transaction. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, now it has showed confirm. So once this thing prompts, I just go head back to this particular place and then click on this. Okay, for you to be able to claim the point. So that's how you can earn from this particular phase one part of this Sahara testnet. Okay, so just do all these things and then accumulate points for yourself, right? So that's all you have to do. Now for now, that's the one that is working. Okay, then for now, other ones are still upcoming, right? This one is still upcoming, so there's nothing you can do in this particular place. So just that's the daily check-in. That's the one that you can do for now. Okay, so that's all you have to do in this phase one part of this Sahara testnet. Okay, so you ensure that you do all these things, right? So you claim the Faucet token and then come back here. So now the next, we're going to head over to this the Discord page. Okay, the link is there. Come over to this place, and then we have to claim these rules. Okay, so just go down and claim all these rules that I'm going to show you now. So now I've already done this thing, but I'll just show you what you're going to just come over here, start on this web train and the AI, click on both of them, and then come down here and then click all these ones. Okay, all these things, click on it and add the rule to it. Most especially this legend, don't forget that one. Make sure you click on it as well too. So then by doing this, you are positioned for the V1 aspect of this Sahara testnet. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Okay, so claim your token and then do the other daily tasks. Okay, so now that's all for now. Okay, so I've shown you how to position yourself for the both the V1 and the V2, the phase one and the phase two. Okay, by doing this, you're going to be part of this $43 million and we're seeing here. Okay, so you ensure you position yourself for these two parts. Okay, so now that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please do it to ask there in the comment section. I will ensure I answer all your questions, and then ensure you support or subscribe, like, share our video. Okay, if you like what we are doing here. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.